Hey guys, welcome to another video. Well, last time when I conducted a MPG test with my truck, I ran it with a 87 Octane, and some of you guys commented that this truck recommended fuel is 89 Octane, and that is totally true. But Chrysler says in the owner's manual 89 recommended, 87 acceptable. So I've been running this truck on a 87 Octane since I bought it always, and the truck is running very good. On a 87, you guys see now I've conducted some 0 to 6 tests, 60 tests, 0 to 100 tests. Truck is running fine, no problem on a 87, and gets a decent gas mileage. But since you guys commented, curiosity got the best of me again, so I said screw it, I'm gonna conduct another test, and this time I'm gonna run an 89 Octane. Just for a record, for a past 2 weeks I've been running this truck on a 89 Octane, and so the computer it's learn adjusted on 89 Octane, whatever, you know what I'm saying. But I'm gonna go right now, I'm very close to that gas station, I'm gonna fill it up again with the 89 Octane, and I'm gonna make the same loop, and we're gonna find out if this truck actually gonna get better gas mileage, or it's gonna get the same mileage. So that is gonna show you guys whether it's worth it for you guys to use a 89 Octane, or is just okay running an 87 Octane. To me, in my opinion, so far from what I'm seeing on the average mileage, the truck gets about the same gas mileage as 87 versus 89. But this test is gonna be true test, because it's gonna be exactly the same, almost exactly the same conditions, same loop, same freeway. The temperature is about the same, within few degrees from the other test. So anyways guys, I'm gonna go on a gas station now, fill that up. I'm gonna jump up on the freeway, and I'm gonna try to keep this video 5 minutes or less, because nobody, let's face it, nobody likes to watch long videos. So for you it's gonna be 5 minutes watch. For me, this test gonna take about hour and a half just in driving. So I will see you at a gas station, then I'll be checked with you on the freeway. Alright guys, we're gonna reset everything up over here. Yeah, I did the same thing, same gas station, same type of fuel, but this time we only use a 89 Octane, as you guys saw. So I'm gonna jump on a freeway right now. I'm gonna set the cruise control right at 70, and we'll go and make the loop, come back, refill that again, calculate the numbers, and we'll see if it's worth to use a 89 Octane, or it's just okay to use a 87. My guess is gonna be about the same, but we gotta wait and find out what happens. All right guys, I'm about 12 miles into this test. I just want to show you that I'm set at 70 miles an hour on the cruise control over here, and I'm gonna try to make this as close as possible like last time. All right guys, I just turned around, now I'm on the way back, and so far the truck is averaging about 19.6 miles to the gallon. And I think last time when we conducted this test at the pump, I think we finished with 18.3. So far it looks like we're gonna be pretty damn close. So stay tuned, and we're gonna find out in about, for you in about couple minutes, and for me in about hour. I will see you at the pump. All right guys, we are almost there. I tell you, it doesn't look very promising. Averaging 19.7 at the computer here, but we still gotta figure it out what is gonna be at the pump, and hard calculate those numbers. That's the exit right there, and that is a smoky right there. See the smoky? Yeah, I seen a couple of them up there. They pulling people over like crazy. Today is a St. Patrick's Day, isn't it? Well, that explains how come they're out on a freeway. A lot of drunk motherfuckers out here. We drove 81 miles divided by exactly 4.413 gallons, right? Equals 18.3. So the truck said 19.8, and we were getting 18 point actual mileage was 18.3. All right guys, let's calculate those numbers up. The truck is averaging right here, says 19.8, and just like the last time, we traveled 81 miles, so hour and 13 minutes it took us for the test. So we're gonna put here 81 mile divided by 4.27 divided by 4.27 gallons. Look at that, 18.9. So there you guys see it. Well, that was surprising. Well, that was definitely surprising. Well, thank you very much for watching, guys. I will see you soon with another video. Have a good one.